If you've lost access to your Airtable account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Airtable login page. Go to the Airtable website and click on the login button. Enter your email address associated with your account to proceed. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Reset your password. Once you click the link, you will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Enter a new password that you can remember and confirm it. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the Airtable login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Airtable support for further assistance.